Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Entitled Couple Picked a Fight with the Wrong Officers by Uncovered.
We're not going to be playing these games. Right now I'm investigating. Time out. You came at me.
Don't walk up on me.
You came up.
Don't walk up on me. You got your body cam on?
Yes, it is on.
Okay, don't play with me.
I'm asking a question and you're yelling. All right?
I said I don't want to talk to you.
Doesn't matter.
I don't have to.
You told me you were involved. All right? I am involved. I'm investigating a battery.
What's a battery? Battery of what?
You want to tell me what happened?
How the fuck you don't know what a battery is and you out here committing it? Come on now.
If you're not involved, then start walking away before I lock you up. You want handcuffs on you? No, you're stepping outside. Come here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Get back.
Don't touch me.
Uh-oh.
Calm down. Don't touch me. Calm down. Look, you interrupt. All right. Interrupt. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, he charged at the officers. That's a big boy.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. Send the units now.
Put your hands behind your back. I will stop once you put your hands behind your back.
She was on 10. What the hell?
Put your hands behind
No.
I said get off. What you want? Shoot me? I ain't getting nothing. You're not competing right now.
That is not finna stop that taser.
He hit our head to the fucking goddamn thing. To the head and to the side. Stop, you bitch. You just kicked me.
Now, this is how you stand up for your woman, even if she's a dumbass.
That's what I told you. To the side. Stop, you bitch.
Get back. Stop moving. Stop resisting.
Call your attorney. Y'all got, oh Lord, she got, she used to this shit. She ain't new to this. She true to this.
Right now. Call my attorney. He arrested me for no reason. He had no proof. Call Reese right now. I'm not playing.
Dude, what?
He sure did.
Stand up.
He hit her in the face. He hit her face with the side.
Stand up.
Stand up for what? I can't.
Stand up. I'm
Yeah,
helping
off of me. I'll help myself up. Please don't touch me.
Dude, what? You already kicked her in the face. He hit her face in the side. You kicked her in the face. He hit her face with the side. Back him away.
Stand up.
You did enough for calling my attorney.
Stand up.
You did enough. I am an attorney. Why am I being arrested? Can you
He just said battery.
tell me that? Why am I being arrested? Come get my keys. Come get my keys in my pocket.
Nobody's getting anything.
Yes, it is. My kids is in the car. She need my keys. My kids is in the car.
If your kid's in the car, why are you acting like this?
For no reason. You are Stop!
Get in the car. Get in the car now. Good.
Stop! Jenny, the kid!
Oh.
Put him in cuffs. No, you're done. We're not.
Please don't wrestle with him. That's a big boy. Did they just trip his ass?
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, shit.
Put your hands behind your back.
Whitney and Bobby. Dumber and dumber.
Put your hands.
Oh. Oh. Jesus.
County. Taser deployed. For no reason.
Damn, he just got tasered. What the fuck you want him to say to? Like, that shit hurt. The fuck? I would have cursed her out real good and smooth.
No, stay there and be quiet for a minute.
I can't believe this thing.
Well, we can't believe you didn't listen.
I need water.
You're gonna need a lot more. Shut up.
I have physical condition. You have a physical condition, yet you're being extremely confrontational.
I never understand that. As soon as they get put in handcuffs, I got bronchitis. Like, what the fuck? Why did you acting like this then, sir?
Stop. You should have stopped when I asked you the first time. It was unnecessary. You're unnecessary. All right?
He mad. That was mad as hell.
Sit him up. That's unnecessary.
He might got a heart condition.
13, what's the fuck? That was unnecessary.
If you got a heart condition, why was you acting crazy like this?
Check you out. So we'll move that out real quick.
What? All right, go ahead. Fucked up my leg. My leg already fucked up. That's all. Well, no, that's what I'm saying. Well, what listen, I have.
You wasn't acting like it was fucked up when you was charging at the officers.
Okay, so it's right leg. Bend your knees. Put your foot on the ground.
Need water, man.
All right, on three.
Now you gotta use all your muscle. Use it. Come on, help. I can't move. You gotta
You gotta put your foot on the ground, not under the ground.
You too big for that. Come on now.
Bend your knees.
All right, you don't have to holler.
Bend your knees.
Don't grab me.
What's up this morning? We have
How old's the kids?
I have a 1-year-old and a 5-year-old. They won't let me see the
Were you involved in an accident?
No, he tried to hit my car, but it don't even matter now. I'm calling my attorney.
Okay,
You just fucking assaulted me for no reason.
That's fine.
So I'm calling my attorney.
Listen, put
I'm
that
calling my father. My father is
that's
an
fine.
attorney.
That's fine. Put
So
that
please,
listen.
let your body cam footage
It's
please
on
roll.
body cam. Can you listen to me for a second?
Ain't nothing
All
to
right.
listen about.
Whatever just happened out here, let's put that aside for a
There
minute.
ain't no putting that shit
Okay.
aside. You didn't want to listen
were
to me
you
when you pulled
involved
up.
in
You
an
came
accident?
aggressive.
Were
Because you wanted to be racist. You
No.
wanted to pick a side
No.
because it was a white man that called on me
No.
and I didn't do shit.
No, I don't know.
That's what you did. You came and slammed me by the door, grabbed me, then your homie kicked me in my fucking face. I'm a
Y'all, if he was aggressive, you met aggressive with more aggression, and that never works.
woman.
Okay.
Regardless of how you feel about me, I'm not racist. I'm a woman.
She is right though. So, I mean, like, come on now.
Let's.
I have 2 kids in my car.
Were you involved in an accident?
I'm a fucking registered nurse. All I was trying to do was get some gas, go
Were you
home.
involved in an
No, I
accident
did
or
not hit nobody's car. Nobody hit my car. He
Okay,
tried to crash
that's all I
into
want to
me.
know.
I'm going to that car to go put eyes on these kids and see
Okay.
how they're doing.
Okay.
If she has somebody that can be with the kids, is your sister here?
Yes.
Okay, can we sort that out? Because if there's 2 kids in the car with a gas pump, I'd like to
Yeah,
that. I know
yeah.
you guys got a bunch
So,
of other stuff.
Officer-
Thank you, W Man's right here. Like, at least he care about the kids.
Make sure these guys are good.
So he was not here for any of this. He showed up after the fact.
Who is who?
That is the boyfriend of the sister, who was not in the vehicle at all. So the two
So he just getting arrested. That's the boyfriend of the sister.
sisters with the kids was in the car,
I thought the way he was acting, he acting like they fucking.
and they pulled into the gas station. They probably didn't signal fast enough or whatever, but the car behind them started honking.
So is this a 1050?
So this is a road rage.
So she said that it's an accident.
Yeah, it's a road rage because the 2 sisters pulled into the gas station and then they were wailing on the horn behind him, like whatever, maybe they didn't signal fast enough or stop too fast. He gets to the male driver of the other vehicle, gets out, throws a glass bottle at the car. You've got damage on that vehicle and glass shattered all over it. And then the sister gets out who was driving, and the 2 male and female passenger and driver get out and start whooping on the sister. She just tried to break it up. She never swung on anybody. She threatened to mace them.
She did.
She didn't swing on anybody. She broke it up.
Okay.
She threatened to mace them when they wouldn't stop whooping on the sister. So it's 2 against 1. She didn't hit anybody.
So who's the one whooping on who?
That would have been the sister got into her. They attacked her.
So them over there got cut.
The original car,
Who's over there?
nobody was there. They left. So I think they're the ones that started it, and then they fled.
I need to lean on you because my hands is tied behind me.
Break my back.
Well, this is what I'm telling you. My leg, pull my pants leg, pull it up. It's up now because you need to understand this shit. So my leg is up real bad, right? So I can't just walk from this far distance. They taking sweet baby Jesus away. Let's check it out. They tased me for no reason. I did nothing wrong. I broke no laws. I don't know. Can I
Oh
have
God.
a bottle of water? They didn't want to give me no water. They beat her up in front of me. They probably gonna try to kill me. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me because they probably gonna try to kill me. They tased me. For no reason. Take a picture of me because they already demons. They devils. And then I did nothing wrong. These men beating on her. She was bleeding. The motherfucker bastard kicked her in the face. I did nothing wrong. I promise. I ain't did shit wrong. Now how am I supposed to get in this? You got a bottle of water in your car? No. They don't even give me no water, man. Why am I being arrested for? For obstructing. Obstructing.
Because you came to all this sweetie.
Yeah, don't say just write that up. I ain't got no extension.
We're gonna write it up.
How am I obstructing when y'all tase me? We're not gonna argue here on the street. That's
Jay, Jay,
You right.
Jay,
Go ahead and sit down.
please.
Nah, don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right. I love you. They fucked her up. They tased me.
She's at her station.
Because my injuries.
How is your injury for me to take your shoes off?
My feet, I can't walk. I got special inserts. I recently got a brace on my leg.
That's fine.
I can shake my leg.
That's fine. Do a general search. Faster we move, the faster we get them out here.
Okay. All right,
Yeah,
here.
you got it for me.
The suspect was charged with assault, resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and disorderly conduct. Her partner was charged with resisting arrest, battery on an officer, and disorderly conduct. If you enjoyed this video,
thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.